Hello guys, today we're going to remove the radio of this S-Max, and that is a pain in the ass, but I will show you. My colleague we will start by removing this chrome trim. I will show how you do this. That's quite easy. It snaps in place. It's okay to use a small screwdriver. And here we go. And then we need to remove the console, piece of the console. Sounds a little dramatic, but it all snaps in place. Then we need to remove 4 Torque 20 screws. And now to the tricky part. You need 4 pieces of this, and 2 of the holes are hidden behind some plastic covers. Okay, they look like this. And then when you're inserting these keys, they have to have the sharp, what do you call it, like knife piece inside to the middle of the player, not on the outside. So not this way, but this way. Then you have to feel for it, and it goes in lock. Then all 4 are locked. Then you can remove it. And to show you how this is working, release it. You need to push this one, and then you will see it will release the key here. And here you see the function. Let me show you one more time. When you're inserting it, smacks in place, and then release it. The locks is clicking in place behind this on each side here.